Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Massey Ferguson 290 tractor, a machine that's been a reliable partner for farmers worldwide. Whether you're considering purchasing one or simply curious about its capabilities, stick around as we explore its features, performance, and overall value. Let's start with the heart of the MF290, the engine. This tractor is powered by a Perkins A 4.248 engine, a four-cylinder diesel powerhouse that delivers approximately 80 horsepower at 2,200 RPM. This robust engine ensures that the MF290 can handle a variety of tasks, from plowing and tilling to hauling heavy loads. The engine's displacement is 4.1 liters, providing ample torque and efficiency for demanding agricultural operations. One of the standout features of the MF290 is its versatility in drivetrain options. It comes in both two-wheel drive 2WD and four-wheel drive 4WD configurations. The 2WD model is ideal for standard farming tasks on relatively even terrain, offering simplicity and cost-effectiveness. On the other hand, the 4WD variant provides enhanced traction and stability, making it suitable for challenging terrains and heavy-duty applications. This flexibility allows farmers to choose a model that best fits their specific needs. Transmission options on the MF290 further enhance its adaptability. The standard gearbox offers 8 forward and 2 reverse gears, providing a good range of speeds for various tasks. Additionally, there's an optional multi-power transmission with 12 forward and 4 reverse gears, allowing for smoother shifting and better control under load. This feature is particularly beneficial when working with different implements or in varying field conditions. Hydraulics play a crucial role in a tractor's functionality, and the MF290 doesn't disappoint. It boasts a hydraulic system with a lift capacity of approximately 2,500 kilograms at the lower link ends. This capacity enables the tractor to handle a wide array of implements, from plows and harrows to seeders and sprayers. The hydraulic pump delivers a flow rate of about 53 liters per minute, ensuring responsive and efficient operation of hydraulic attachments. Comfort and ergonomics are essential for long working hours, and the MF290 addresses this with a well-designed operator's platform. The controls are logically arranged, allowing for intuitive operation. The steering is power-assisted, reducing operator fatigue, especially during extended periods of use. Depending on the model and market, the MF290 may come with various cab options, ranging from open platforms to fully enclosed cabs with heating and air conditioning, enhancing operator comfort in different climates. When it comes to dimensions and weight, the MF290 strikes a balance between stability and maneuverability. It has an overall length of approximately 3.89 meters and a width of about 2.29 meters, making it suitable for a variety of farm sizes and applications. The 2WD model weighs around 2,450 kilograms, while the 4WD variant is slightly heavier, tipping the scales at approximately 2,900 kilograms. This weight distribution contributes to the tractor's stability, especially when operating heavy implements. Tire configurations are another aspect where the MF290 offers flexibility. The standard setup includes 7.50/16 front tires and 16.930 rear tires for the 2WD model. The 4WD version typically comes with 12.424 front tires and 18.415/30 rear tires. These configurations provide a good balance between traction, flotation, and soil compaction, allowing the tractor to perform efficiently in various soil conditions. The MF290's power takeoff, or PTO, is designed for versatility. It features a fully independent 540 RPM PTO, operating at 1,789 engine RPM. This setup allows for seamless engagement and disengagement of PTO-driven implements, such as mowers, balers, and generators, without interrupting the tractor's movement. The independence of the PTO enhances operational efficiency and extends the lifespan of both the tractor and the implements. Durability and ease of maintenance are critical factors for any agricultural machine, and the MF290 excels in these areas. Its straightforward design, coupled with the widespread availability of parts, ensures that maintenance tasks are manageable and cost-effective. The Perkins engine is renowned for its reliability, and with proper care, the MF290 can serve faithfully for many years. Now, Let's talk about the practical applications of the MF290. Its robust build and versatile features make it suitable for a wide range of farming activities. Whether you're preparing the soil with a plow, planting seeds with a seeder, transporting materials with a trailer, or operating a baler during harvest, the MF290 is up to the task. Its adaptability extends to various farming scales, from small family farms to larger commercial operations. In terms of fuel efficiency, the MF290 offers respectable performance. Its diesel engine is designed to provide ample power while maintaining economical fuel consumption. This balance ensures that operational costs remain manageable, a crucial consideration for any farming business. The MF290's reputation among farmers is largely positive. Users often praise its reliability, ease of use, and the availability of parts and service networks. Its simplicity is seen as a significant advantage, especially in regions where advanced technical support may not be readily accessible. However, it's important to note that the MF290, like any machine, has its limitations. While it handles a broad spectrum of tasks efficiently, extremely demanding applications or the need for advanced features found in more modern tractors might require consideration of other models. Additionally, the lack of advanced electronics means that certain precision farming technologies may not be compatible without aftermarket modifications. In conclusion, the Massey Ferguson 290 tractor stands as a testament to durable and reliable agricultural machinery. Its combination of robust engine performance, versatile drivetrain options, and practical features make it a valuable asset on any farm. Whether you're looking to expand your fleet or seeking a dependable workhorse for daily operations, the MF290 is worth considering. Thank you for joining us in this detailed overview of the Massey Ferguson 290 tractor. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on agricultural machinery and farming practices. If you have any questions or experiences with the MF290, feel free to share them in the comments below. Until next time, happy farming!